in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12T. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, go to voice match, and now enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, and continue. Now let's try it out. OK Google. Hey Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's try it out again. OK Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be mostly sunny, with a high of 61 and a low of 35.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.